Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make strawberry ricotta muffins. It'll go perfectly with your morning cup of joe. So let's get started! For the streusel, mix together 150 grams of all-purpose flour, 50 grams of granulated sugar, 110 grams of brown sugar, and 1.5 grams of salt. Once incorporated, add 113 grams of room temperature unsalted butter. Mix with your hands until you get a coarse sandy texture. Cover and chill in the refrigerator. Line your muffin tin with muffin cups and set aside. For the muffin batter, mix together 170 grams of all-purpose flour, 5 grams of baking powder, 1.25 grams of baking soda, and 2.25 grams of salt and set aside. Mix together 100 grams of granulated sugar, 113 grams of whole milk ricotta cheese, 28 grams of melted, cooled, unsalted butter, 28 grams of vegetable oil, 75 grams of whole eggs, and 4 grams of vanilla extract. Mix until smooth and well incorporated. Add in flour mixture and mix until it just comes together. Be sure to scrape the sides of the bowl for even mixing. Toss 200 grams of diced strawberries with 8 grams of all-purpose flour. Fold the strawberries into the muffin batter. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Scoop batter into lined muffin pan with a 1 1/3 ounce scoop. Dice up another 130 grams of strawberries and evenly distribute amongst the muffins. Finally, generously top muffins with streusel crumble. Bake at 375 degrees until golden brown, about 22 minutes. Allow muffins to cool on a rack and enjoy. Time to taste! It's so moist. And I love this streusel for some crunch. And it's tender and a little sweetness from the strawberry, but not too sweet. It's perfect. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget the bell button for notifications. If you have any questions about the recipes, comment below or leave me suggestions for what sweet treats you would like to see in future videos. Life is uncertain, eat dessert first. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.